Hi, guys, my name is Saad and welcome back to my YouTube channel Future Cars Demand. In this video I will discuss about 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. Be patient and watch the full video. Because you're all questions, answer in this video. 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. Overview. What's new for 2024? Pricing. Which one to buy, EV motor, power, performance, towing, payload capacity, range, charging, battery life, interior, comfort, cargo, infotainment, connectivity, safety, driver assistance features, warranty and maintenance coverage. Don't skip any part. Before watch this full video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest video. Overview. The 2024 Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was dropped off by an alien race, but it's said to have the capabilities to challenge top-selling pickup trucks. With a sharp-edged stainless steel body that's also apparently bulletproof, Tesla's electric truck looks seriously tough. Two trims are in the mix for 2024. A 600 HP dual-motor AWD model and an 845 HP tri-motor model called Cyberbeast. A single-motor rear-wheel drive Cybertruck is set to join the party sometime in 2025. Tesla claims the Cybertruck can tow up to 11,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of up to 340 miles. Hooked up to a Tesla supercharger, the EV truck can supposedly add between 128 and 136 miles of range in 15 minutes. What's new for 2024? Tesla is expanding its lineup to include one of the most popular body styles in America, the pickup truck. However, it'll have to compete with the Ford F-150 Lightning, the GMC Hummer EV, and the Rivian R1T right out of the gate. Chevy is also launching an electric Silverado, and the Ram 1500 REV is nearing its initial production date too. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck is expected to start around $81,000 and go up to $101,000 depending on the trim and options. Until the rear-wheel drive Cybertruck arrives for the next model year, with a starting price of around $62,000, the lineup only includes the AWD and Cyberbeast models. There are currently no details on available options, so choosing between the two will depend on how deep your pockets are. EV motor, power, and performance. The Cybertruck will eventually offer three different powertrain arrangements. At launch, dual and tri-motor models will be available and offer all-wheel drive. A rear-wheel drive single-motor model will join the lineup for the 2025 model year. The 600-horsepower AWD Cybertruck will reportedly reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 ticks and have a top speed of 112 miles per hour. Those looking for the ultimate performance will appreciate the Cyberbeast, which features a trio of motors making a combined 845 horses. Tesla says this will essentially teleport the truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. All Cybertrucks have an adjustable air suspension that can be raised or lowered on the fly and provides up to 17 inches of ground clearance. Add that to its 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles and the Tesla pickup could prove to be a formidable off-road machine. Towing and payload capacity. The dual and tri-motor Cybertrucks have a maximum towing capacity of 11,000 pounds. The forthcoming single-motor model is capped at 7,500 pounds. Every Cybertruck can also haul 2,500 pounds in its 6-foot by 4-foot composite cargo bed. Range, charging, and battery life. Tesla hasn't officially revealed the Cybertruck's battery sizes, but thanks to some data gleaned from the EPA, we calculated an estimate 122.4 kWh. When hooked up to a supercharger, the company says the AWD model can add 136 miles in 15 minutes. The Cyberbeast will add 128 miles in the same timeframe. The electric truck's driving range varies with the number of motors, but Tesla estimates AWD versions can travel 340 miles per charge, and the Cyberbeast will go 320 miles. Those claims rise to over 440 and 470 miles, respectively, with an optional range extender battery pack that fits inside the truck's cargo bed. When the RWD Cybertruck arrives, it'll have an estimated 250 miles of range. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Those who thought the Tesla Model 3's interior was minimalistic will relive that reaction when they see the Cybertruck's Spartan cabin. While many standard features and options haven't been disclosed, the first images show a slab-like dashboard that is dominated by one large touchscreen. The Cybertruck will also be able to seat up to 6 people, and its cargo bed offers 121 cubic feet of volume. It also has a nifty slide-out tailgate that doubles as a ramp to load four-wheelers and motorcycles. Infotainment and connectivity. Every Cybertruck has a big 18.5-inch touchscreen that is mounted horizontally in the center of the dashboard. There's also a 9.4-inch touchscreen on the back of the center console for rear seat passengers. While we don't know what infotainment and connectivity features are included, it's a good bet they'll be similar to what's offered on Tesla's other models. Safety and driver assistance features. We expect every Cybertruck will be available with Tesla's controversial hands-free autopilot driving feature. We also expect other driver assistance technology to be available. For more information about the Cybertruck's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Tesla provides a comprehensive warranty on its current models, however, it doesn't include any complimentary maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 8 years or 150,000 miles. Battery components are covered for 8 years or 150,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.